Most people are using Quora completely wrong for affiliate marketing, and that's exactly why they are getting zero clicks, zero traffic, and zero sales. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can use AI to turn simple Quora answers into traffic machine that quietly sends targeted visitors to your affiliate links every single day without spamming, without getting banned, and without writing everything from scratch. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly what's working right now in 2026, and what's working is to use AI in your affiliate marketing business. And this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, just in 12 days, I have made $14,192. Okay, and just last month I have made $40,253, and it's paid. Okay, as you guys can see here. Okay, this is my invoice, this is the payment. Okay, recent payment request details, it's paid. Okay, so anyway, for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Quora using free traffic correctly without getting banned, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr. So here is what you will do. Just go, for you as a beginner, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, go to company. You see this one here, scroll down and click on affiliate. It will take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You can scroll down so you can check their commission plan. Okay, so they are really paying good commissions, guys. It's the high ticket affiliate program. They are for pro services. For example, you guys can see that they are paying up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you can earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, meaning for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You guys can turn this into a passive income. The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is good. Okay, anyway, you can check their commission plan to get more info. If you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click on join now. Okay, it's gonna take you guys to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And what you will do here is you need to put your, for example, your affiliate website link, your landing page link, or your any social media profile links that you will start using to promote those Fiverr services. Okay, so once you do that, scroll down, click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here. Click here to choose your language. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here and click on next. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, super easy and simple. So once you finish your sign up process, what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Quora, and you need to promote services that people are already searching for. You don't need to keep guessing or choose the service that you like. This business doesn't work like this, and if you are guessing, you will make zero results. You need to promote what people are searching for on Quora. So what we will do, we will go to Quora. Go and open your Quora account like this. Okay, guys, Quora, it's getting a lot of traffic. A lot of people, they are sleeping on Quora. Quora is getting 464 million visitors, million monthly visitors. They are getting millions of visitors every single day. Okay, you guys can see that's a big number. Okay, so what you will do next, for you as an affiliate marketer, go and open your Quora account like this, super easy, and click on the search of Quora and search for, let's search for video editing or video editor as an example, like this. Let's search for this topic, and here you go. So just search, guys, for video editor, and here you go. So Quora will give you this result, will give you questions that people are asking on Quora, okay, related to what you searched for. Okay, we searched for video editing, and we have here a lot of people asking who are the best YouTube video editing editors. Okay, you guys can see, and you can see how many people are following this question. So if a lot of people are following this question, it's good for you as an affiliate marketer, because if you answer this question and you include your affiliate link for video editing service, those people who are following this question will get a notification about your answer and they will check it. Okay, so if you so focus on like those questions who are followed by a lot of people. Okay, we will scroll down like this here. You guys can see here who are some of the best video editors. I'm talking about people, not software. It's following by 129 people. Okay, those people are interested. They want to know where they can find video editors, what's the best video editors. Okay, and we have here is another one. Look how many you have a lot. Okay, where can I find a professional video editors? It's followed by 116 people. Okay, which is good. Like, where can I find a video editor like this one? Let's take this one as an example. I will click here on answer, and what I need to do here is I need to write a professional answer for those people who are asking where they can find a professional video editor. So for me, as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for, it's already popular right now on Fiverr. You guys can see, because this service has high demand, video editing. Click on video editing like this, search for what people are searching for on Quora. Search for services related to the topics that people are searching for on Quora. Okay, it's clear. Search for video editing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide, a lot of sellers who provide this service. So for you as an affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. So always choose like top rated sellers and pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers who already paid for this service. So if you are choosing good sellers, also people can buy this service from you and you can earn a commission. Okay, so let's choose one as an example. I'm going to choose like this one. Top rated seller, has a lot of reviews, 5-star. So this one, guys, looks good. Okay, you see, I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see that this seller has 11 orders in queue, meaning, guys, this service already has high demand and already people are paying for this service on Fiverr. Just this one single seller, over 200 people paid for this service using just this one single seller. Video editing service has high demand. Okay, so what you will do for you as an affiliate marketer, you need to copy the profile link of the seller like this, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You will click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and paste this seller link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Quora to those people who are searching for where they can find the best video editors. Okay, you guys, this is your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, this will be your affiliate link. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here, guys. Okay, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I have an old Fiverr affiliate account and I still have this option. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously and start from scratch, step by step, and get also my support, I do have, guys, an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to run your affiliate marketing business, how you can use AI for script, how you can use AI for voiceover, how you can use AI for keyword research, how you can use AI for editing, and how you can also promote your affiliate links not just on Quora, on Reddit, on Instagram, on TikTok, also on Facebook Reels, also on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. And so you can double your traffic and double your commissions. Okay, and you can make content right now using AI done fast. Okay, what's helped me to scale my affiliate marketing business to over $40,000 a month, it's AI. Without AI, I can't do it, because AI is helping me to create so much content, do keyword research, fix my mistakes, and so much more. Creating a landing page, create an affiliate website, it's all done by AI, okay? For people who are serious, they want to take it seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details you need, okay? Anyway, let's complete our video. We have created our affiliate link. We need to promote this affiliate link on Quora, okay? So what we will do, guys, we will go to Quora, and you need to create a professional answer, okay? So to create a professional answer, you guys can use ChatGPT. Super easy. Go to ChatGPT. Let me show you. Just go to ChatGPT and ask him to create a Quora answer about video editing for people who search for editors and include my website link. And here you go. It will give you this. It's too much long, and I asked him it's too much long, and ChatGPT will give you this one. And here you go, guys. This is your result. So here you need to put your affiliate link. Of course, you need to use a landing page or an affiliate website. So you will copy this answer and you will go back to Quora and paste this answer here, okay? And here, of course, like I said, you need to put here your landing page link, okay? So you can avoid getting banned. And first, if you just started and you have a new Quora account, don't include any affiliate links in your first 10 posts, okay? In your first, for example, in your first 2 weeks, don't include any link, okay? Just start engaging with those questions, answer those questions. Once your account is good, okay, once your account become old, then you can start including your links. Of course, you will not include your links directly on Quora. You will get banned. You need to create an affiliate website or landing page. That's a safe way if you want to make commission and getting traffic from Quora, okay? Once you create, you can use AI to create landing page or an affiliate website. Once you do that, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here, and you need to put this link inside your landing page or inside your website. Then you can start pasting your landing page or your link here, okay? Once you do that, you will click here on post, and that's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on Quora, okay? That's it, guys, and you have a lot, okay? This is guys how you can make your first commissions. You can use Quora and you can make your first commissions using Quora free traffic. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching. For people who wanted to learn more about this business, guys, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. See you in the next one.